Avinesh, and this morning I was craving for pancakes. So I actually left a poll in my Instagram stories last night asking which pancake video should I make today. There were two options. One was my classic vanilla pancake, which I usually serve with maple syrup and some berries, and the second one was my cinnamon bun pancake, which is served with the glaze, which is similar to the cream cheese frosting that we get on cinnamon. And the results are in and cinnamon bun pancake won by just a little bit more margin, and I'm actually happy because I was craving for those more. So today I'm gonna make cinnamon bun pancake. So to make cinnamon bun pancakes, I first begin with the glaze. Glaze is super simple. We just take some icing sugar and some vanilla extract and milk. The milk measurement can't be exact because you have to go by sight and keep on mixing until it gets to a consistency that you're happy with. Once that is done, keep it in a container and set aside. Meanwhile, you make your pancakes. Making pancakes can't get simpler than this. In a bowl, sift together your dry ingredients, which is your all-purpose flour, your breakfast sugar, which is castor sugar, your ground cinnamon powder, baking powder, baking soda, and if you're using unsalted butter in this recipe, you can add a pinch of salt now and mix them all together. Once it's all mixed and combined properly, you can add your buttermilk. I don't have buttermilk during this lockdown, and I usually make my own anyways. In my bakery, I never buy buttermilk, I make my own. So I made my own buttermilk, and then to that I would add some butter, and then I would add an egg. Mix them all together, but making sure not to overmix your batter. There's nothing worse than an overmixed pancake mix. Once the batter is ready, place a non-stick skillet onto medium-high heat and pour in 1/4 cup of your batter. Once it's done on one side, flip it. The way I get to know that it's done on one side is when I see little bubbles at the edges. Flip it, cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes or more if needed, and then stack them on a plate. I like a minimum stack of 3 pancakes. This recipe makes a lot more than that. Pour in your icing sugar and vanilla glaze on top and eat it immediately. If you make them and this recipe works out for you, do let me know. Click pictures, post them on Instagram, tag me, and also like this video or subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.